Hi, in this video we will learn how to print an Excel sheet on one page. First, click on File in the top left corner and then click Print. Here you can see a preview showing how many pages your data is currently spreading over. Step 1. Adjust the scaling. On the right side, under Scaling, you will see three useful options. Fit Sheet on one page brings the entire sheet onto a single page. Fit all columns on one page keeps columns on one page but may add extra pages for rows. Fit all rows on one page keeps rows on one page but may add extra pages for columns. Choose whichever option fits your needs. I will select Fit Sheet on one page. Step 2. Choose Orientation. Make sure to select the correct orientation based on your data. Portrait for tall data, landscape for wide data. I will select landscape. Step 3. Print. After adjusting these settings, simply click Print. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.